This is OnePlus 60. Do you have to buy OnePlus 60 2020? Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. So let's start the video. OnePlus 60 announced 29 October 2018. OnePlus 60 comes with 6.41-inch optic AMOLED touchscreen, 85.6-inch skin-to-body ratio. OnePlus 60 protected by Gorilla Glass 6. OnePlus 60 comes with Snapdragon 845 with 6GB RAM and 120GB storage with UFS 2.1. Now it's running Android 10. And Oxygen OS version 10.3.2. OnePlus 60 have a in-display fingerprint sensor with beautiful animation and its speed not a bad. Now talk about the face unlock. OnePlus 60 face unlock speed super fast. I think no other company beat OnePlus face unlock speed. OnePlus 60 comes with dual camera setup. First one 16 megapixel 1.7 aperture 25mm wide, and second 20 megapixel 1.7 aperture 25mm wide. OnePlus 60 main camera you can record highest 4K 60 fps, and you also record 1080, 30, 60 and 120 fps slow-mo video, and you also record 720p 480 slow-mo video. OnePlus 60 comes with single 16 megapixel 2.0 aperture 25mm selfie camera. OnePlus 60 powered by 3700 mAh battery, and it also supports 20-watt fast charger. So almost 2 years older phone, all the app opening and closing speed I think super cool. And you also play PUBG and Call of Duty heavy game in your phone without any lagging.
We're capturing C. Stealth chopper awaiting orders. We captured C. Stealth chopper inbound. We're capturing Bravo. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Losing Alpha.
So the question is, do you have to buy OnePlus 60 2020? My answer is yes. Yes, you can buy this OnePlus 60 because this is a powerful Snapdragon 845 chipset, and with Oxygen OS, you just love it. Oxygen OS optimization. All the app opening and closing speed super fast. Okay, this is all about OnePlus 60. I hope you guys like this video and enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.